You know what time it is. We are back at it for the evening session. We're starting the week off with a bang, man. I've been gone for the last couple of weeks, took a break, did some traveling, but now we're back in the mix. Fourth quarter is now. Shout out to everybody in the YouTube universe. Welcome back to another episode of The Infinity Show. Hope you guys are doing well. We had a decent session earlier. Went like for 2 for 5 for evals and 2 for 5 for evals. Whoa, what just happened? Uh-oh. Yeah, 2 for 5 for evals and then 600 for the PAs. So I'm in rebuild mode, like I just posted in the Discord. So bit by bit, we got to build these things back up. Oh, this might be a better view. I like that better. All right, let's see. I'll add that on top too. Let's go ahead and play it. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Oh, whoa. Way too loud. Hope everyone's doing well. I hope everyone enjoyed the weekend. We're back at it. Let me see. 2 minutes before the open. Let's go. I think I'm going to get some more evals too. That's what I should do. But I don't think I'm going to get them in time. Let me look. All right, let's get to it. We got to get back into the algorithm. Tap in. We got a free chat for now in the Discord. We're going to start charging soon. Get in where you fit in. Everybody that gets in now, you're free. You guys are the OGs. All right, let's see. Let's see what we got. I think we're gonna grab some more evals. Maybe like 2 more. And then we'll take it from there. Let me see. I don't even think I added that one. That's crazy. Let's see. Hope everyone enjoyed the weekend. Hope you guys had a safe, fun, productive weekend. Oh boy. Yeah, battery is good. Battery is good. Let's go. We are back in the mix. We are back in the mix. Why do they group those together? I wonder. Very interesting. All right, let me check one. Let me grab this charger real quick. Let's let some people get in here. All right, maybe hopefully it's not too loud. Can't be too loud. All right. We'll see. We will see. All right. Yeah, heck of a bounce for the Bulls this into the close, man. Wow. I was not expecting that kind of a bounce. I was looking for continuation on the 4 hour, but we did not get it. I was looking for this move, but we did not get it. We got down into the zone and yeah, we got down into that zone and we did not look back. Heck of a bounce for the Bulls. Man, the losses are part of doing business, man. Let me grab some evals. Let's see what we can do. Oh wow, look, we're checking in on the 4 hour. Let me see if I can catch something. Is it the 15? Let's go to the 5. What a push, man. Then we got Apple News. Google News. Apple and Google are up nicely after hours. All right, so now I just got to do the math on these guys, and we'll take it from there. Could do, I'm debating. Let me just figure this out first. I mean, regardless, got to get these. The open is now. I got to do some, we got to do some chart work. Let's see how things pan out. How's the sound? Let me see. Yeah, it sounds good. We're good. I think like some of the songs are like really low. Oh wow, you can just go super small. All right, that's cool. Yeah, gotta do some charting. Let's see. All right, let me get 2 more, and then we'll see how. I might save them for tomorrow, because there's no point really to, unless I have, these are like the extras. I gotta keep some evals around just to get reps in with. Let me see. I think that was another thing that kind of messed me up. Usually I have a couple evals that are just sitting there, but all I had for most of this year has just been PAs sitting around. And the discipline in terms of over trading hasn't been there. Do not over trade, man. Take your gains and run. If you see your gains, capture your gains and run. If you don't, you might give them back. Give the gains back. So that's what I'm going to focus on into 4th quarter. Not giving gains back and not over trading, man. All right, let me see. Matter of fact, let's just start it. Let's keep it right there first. Let's keep it right there. Shout out to everybody in the chat. If you're new here and you missed the New York session, welcome. Shout out to everybody that chimed in earlier too. Shout out to Cave Trader. Shout out to ES Hunter. Shout out to who else? Kamal Dorsey came through. Trying to remember who else. Ralph William came through. Ralph is up came through. Shout out to everybody that tapped in. Shout out to ES Hunter. ES Hunter is a trooper. ES Hunter is a trooper. Let me see. All right, let me make sure this is cool. I don't think that one was good. Let me see. Why do I keep seeing that? What is happening? Yeah, man, I'm in rebuild mode. We got to get these funded accounts back up. I'm back to like 3 PAs on Apex. The key with these are to keep them alive as long as possible, especially if I paid the lifetime fee, so we're gonna try to keep these around as long as we can. I have to, for whatever, the sale is up tonight, right? I believe it's tonight. Let's see if they'll, yeah, tonight. I doubt they extended. If they extended, that's like Thanksgiving or Christmas or something. But yeah, we'll see. It's a good sale, man. You can't beat the price. $85 lifetime fee, and then $37 lifetime fee, activation fee for 250s in the 300s, 250K in the 300K. Can't beat that, man. Those have given me my biggest gains by far. By far. We got us a 5-minute gap. Let's see. What I need to do is do some charting. Let's see. Yeah, big bounce for the Bulls today. I was not expecting them to recover after that morning flush. I was like, continuation. And the Bulls came out of nowhere, man. ES did its best to hold 6,400, and NQ did its best to hold 23,000. Big bounce off of 23K. I think we got down to 23,025. Oh boy. All right, let's figure this out. Let me pull up Tradeovate. Tradeovator. I mean, how many did I get? Okay, let me see. The open is now. Let's see how many hours we can get in. I wonder if Twitch will do this correctly. Let's see. Oh. I don't think that left yet. It's 211? Let me see. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I got 5 more, I think. maybe not. I'm trying to debate if I should get some 150Ks to add to the pot. So I already got 5, right? Let's see if we can get 5 more. How many do we have? Okay. All right, let's figure this out. Let's go back. I think we did 5, right? One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Let's do maybe 3. Dang, it would have to be 2. Only 2. And then 1 would be extra. Yeah, I'm debating. As soon as I get the email, it might be best to get 3 going instead of, yeah, best to get 3 PAs going. Let's see, okay, let me see. If we get 3 more, that'll be 6. All right. Let me actually do the math on this. So if we get that, oh yeah, that's actually 6. With 1 extra. What a push, man, for the Bulls from day lows. Huge push. Ooh, did I log out? I hope I didn't. Okay. Yeah, 2 for 5 on evals today. I think I might wait. Let's see. So on 6, let's say 4. Yeah. So how much? That would be 18 times 2. So that would be 18 times 4. That's a lot. trying to figure out this 85 lifetime situation. Hold on. Oh boy, hold on. I think we're good now. Yes, sir. All right. Okay. Then what about the 140? If I do 140 lifetime, 74. That's 55 a pop. That's 55 a pop, man. Jeez. Jeez Louise. That's 55 a pop for a lifetime. 140 versus 85 versus 74. And we can get 3 going. Insane, man. So I might activate the 2. That's 110. What in the world? That's a big difference, man. All last year we had 85. Most of last year. Shout out to everybody in the chat, man. We're back. Did some traveling, blew up some accounts, so I decided to take a break, man. We're back. It's part of the game, though. I've been here before, man. I've been here before. Yo, what is... Okay, let's see. All right, let's rock. Let's see what we do. Trump had his yeah, we had the 2 o'clock announcement, quote unquote. He said he's disappointed in Putin. And then they're moving from Colorado to Alabama. Oh, check this out. Auto insurance. Whoa, what is this? Costco has their own auto insurance? I didn't know that. Stay the course, man. Keep on going. Earn the badge. What? Who keeps doing this, man? All right. Oh, no. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. All right. All right. Let me make sure we're on the same. Making sure the sound is correct. It's good. Making sure the sound. Whoa, here we go. All right, let's grind it out, guys. So far, nothing crazy. We got a nice move after hours, after the bell. Now I just gotta do some charting. That's what I need to do. Yeah, I might get these PAs going, man. Might as well. 1 of 2 is better than, no, 1 of 3 is better than 1 of 2. And we can get those going now. We start tomorrow, right? Or technically now. All right, let's figure this out. Shout out to everybody watching, man. Back in the mix. I'm trying to get back in the groove of things. I'm gonna do a little bit of charting. What a bounce, man. Insane bounce, man. I was not expecting that. Insane bounce. What a bounce. All right, let me draw this thing out. Heck of a bounce. Wow. Let's go ahead and dang, I know I have to create a folder, another folder. Insane. Wow. Big bounce off of 23,000. %. Wow. The fact that we dropped from the Friday's low and just kept going is crazy. Let me see. But then we bounced right back up to it. Wow. I was looking for continuation to the downside. Insane. NQ. V-shaped recovery. What a bounce. And this was off of weekly levels. It was almost perfect. Wow. When you look at the dailies, I was not expecting for us to bounce that hard. That was insane. I mean, now looking back, the gaps made sense, but just the momentum from the open, I was like, up. We're to the downside. Yo, did we crack the low? I don't think we did. Because this is... Oh no, that's ES. No wonder. NQs. Yeah, let me go look at this real quick. Because here, 25, 25. Yeah, we did not. Why did it say, did it say we did crack the low? Yeah, this right here. What is this? Low is 27. No. It looked like it, but we didn't. That was a sign. when we didn't crack the day low on NQ convincingly. We held well. That was basically an ugly double bottom, but a double bottom nonetheless. Let me see. First 50K waiting. Let's see. Wow. Weekly bounce. Weekly. Gap fill. Uh-oh, let's not do it like that. Bounce. Dang. All right, where do we save this? Wow. Where's the bolt? Sniper files. Man. Gotta make a new folder. Let's get back into the swing of things, guys. Let's see. 9-2, right? Did I do August at all? I guess not. Yeah. August was travel month. Hold on. Oh, that's why. Cool. What a bounce. Let me go look for. Where is my daily chart? Oh yeah, that too. Let's see. Wow. Oh. But we didn't even hit that, man. 64, 28. Wow. Heck of a bounce back up. How does this screen? I know display number 2 is this one, right? Yeah. Whoa. I think we gotta do NQ. Heck of a move, man. Jeez. Let's see. Hello. Don't freeze. Wow. That's the same gap, but geez Louise. That was an aggressive buy-up, man. Look at the pintail on the daily candle for NQ. That's insane. That's like a 400 point pin. That's like a 400 point pintail, man. That's insane. Wow. I thought we would at least hang out near day lows. We did not get that. Wow. What a bounce. Let me see. Shout out to Jonathan. We in the mix. All right, let's see if we get regular Asia session movement. Let's see. Let's get the high lows. Fibs didn't really come into play today. Well, daily fibs didn't. There are levels everywhere, man. Wow, bro. How? That's so crazy. That is so crazy, man. What a bounce, man. I was looking for continuation, at least a challenge retest of the lows, man. Insane. 400 point bounce. $23,025. Basically 23,000 was the low. And we bounced hard off that level. Jeez. Technically, we did fill some gaps before the reversal. I'm just looking at like where my mindset was with the trades I took today. I knew we would get a maybe some type of small bounce, but not this big of a bounce. And then maybe a fade into the close. Nope. The bulls just kept on going. Let's see. Remove price level. So now we're inside day. When did we go outside day? Was it at the open? Gotta look that up. It was before the open. $23,552. Yo, big range. Big range for today, man. Or for yesterday. So basically here I'm just marking my day highs and day lows. Trying to just admiring how crazy we bounced from the lows. That was insane. What a bounce. Last week's low was 23,371.50. And somehow we bounced all the way back. Wow. You filled the gap and then you filled the gap again. We went back and forth. Down 300. Down 371. Up 371. That all happened during the session. Collapsed 300 and bounced 300. Range. That's what you call range, ladies and gentlemen. All right, let me, I think that's all I had to do. And then Fib Magic. Shout out to all my guys from InvestFest, man. Shout out to the Future Squad. All right, let's draw these fibs out, man. Wow, we dove below the 50 SMA and reclaimed it, man. Insane. And we have that 50% range. That wasn't even in play, man. That bounce was insane. What a bounce. Not much going on in the Asia session. Just doing some charting. And make sure these match up. Shout out to everybody in the chat. If you're new here, welcome to the Infinity Show. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys enjoyed the weekend. Hope you guys had a safe, enjoyable weekend, man. Labor Day. 5:52. Oh yeah. Sitting here doing some charting. 23. 552.50. Another day in the books, man. Time is flying, man. Why is it September already? It's September already, man. It's about to be Thanksgiving. Insane. All right, we're all good for the NQ chart. What a bounce, man. I'm still like, what the heck just happened? I was like, yo, reversal at least at VWAP. We didn't get that. This was an insane bounce. This is where all the action happened. I thought we were going to breach this too. The way we were tanking, I was like, oh man, 23,000 is out of there. But we bounced very nicely off that level. 23,025 was the low. What a bounce. Insane. Oh yeah, let's double check. Wow. Yeah, it's up there, 25K. That sounds about right. And then, how many of those do we have? Let me see. Thanks for listening to X Reaper Studios. If you know, you know. Enjoy the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Comment below. Classico. This is 293, so just do the math on that. No. 293. It's at least 24. So you're looking at, that sounds about right too. 25 and then 20. Call it 25 and 22 or something like that. It's 47. 47. 18. All right, what else do we got? NQ is done. Wow. Valiant effort, man, by the Bulls. It looks like tomorrow, we'll see. They still have work to do. Do we fade again like we did today? We'll see. We'll see what Asia session and London session have to say. We'll see. Post TTG, what's going on? Shout out to Post TTG, man. What's up, bro? How you feeling? Hope all is well, man. I'm getting back into the streamer mode. I had to do some traveling, man. Before I went traveling, though, I blew some accounts, man. It was not good. Copy traded, tried to get some gains before I took off, and dun. Blew my funded accounts. It was bad. But I've been here before. I did this like early last year. So just got to climb back out, rebuild the profit castle. Let me see. But yeah, we're just sitting here kicking it, doing some charting. Let me see, SPY, right? Oh my gosh, almost did backslash SPY. Dude, we gapped down. So from the SPY's perspective, we were in the middle of nowhere. Makes sense. Makes a lot of sense. Let me see. I did SPY already, right? On the weekly. Shout out to Post TTG in the building. Post TTG says everything good. I'm glad you're back at it. Yes, sir. Post TTG says, I know, man. I seen on Discord. It's all good. You know what you got to do. You got this. Absolutely. I appreciate the words of encouragement. Post TTG says, how many accounts did you get from that Apex sale? I'm still gonna grab a couple now. I'm kind of late to the punch, but I grabbed so far 8 evals. I want to get more though. I'm trying to debate if I should do 150Ks. Cause I was looking back at my my payouts, the 150Ks were like the sweet spot. The 150Ks were definitely the sweet spot. So I'm debating if I should get more. I'm gonna get a group of them, probably like 10 a piece. Maybe 10 50Ks or 10 150Ks, and just hold them, because you can't beat the price. The price is good. How many did you get? Shout out to Post TTG. I know people. I know a couple of my guys they've bought like 50 plus, trying to get to 20 accounts. But yeah, I think I'm gonna buy like 10 more. And then just hold them and try to pass them between this week and next week. Whoa. Yeah, we definitely got a gap right there. Oh, what level is this though? This is the same level we were battling today. This is July high, I believe. Yeah, July month high. Wow. Yeah, from SPY's perspective, we were in the middle of nowhere. That's interesting. So temporarily we popped back up. But from ES's perspective, we were not in the middle of nowhere. But SPY, from SPY's perspective, we gapped down. Heck of a bounce for the Bulls today. Shout out to Post TTG in the building. Post TTG says I got 3 250Ks to try those out. Yeah, yo, did you see the activation fee? $37? Come on, man. All in, how much is the 250K? Like $30? 30 or 40? And then you add the activation fee, all in, you're like $70 in for a funded account. That's crazy. For a 250K at that. Post TTG says I got 3 250Ks to try those out. I got 5 50Ks to try and get them ready and stack them up with the other PAs that are ready to go. Nice. Post TTG says been doing good with the 5 funded so far, so we'll see how it goes with this new stack. Nice. Yes, sir. 84 after activation is a steal. Yes. Definitely a steal. They've never done $37 for an activation fee. Never. They have never done that. So yeah, now at this point I got three Apex PAs, so we're building back up, man. The journey, the rebuild. Shout out to Post TTG in the building. Yeah, $37, that's different. I don't know where they pulled that from. They're like, yeah, man, let's just do 37, man. Why not? Dang, we definitely have some gaps down here too. Well, it's not clear. These are the clear ones. Shout out to Post TTG. Post TTG is legit, man. Shout out to Post TTG. A real trader. Shout out to everybody in the chat. If you're new here, welcome to the Infinity Show. Hit the like button, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see. I got to get back into the algorithm. When you don't stream for a couple of days, YouTube pushes you to the back. All right, cool. Let's keep on going, man. We're at 7:01. Let's keep on going. All right. Right now, not too much going on. Trying to see if I can get these levels marked out for SPY and NQ. SPY and NQ, man. Shout out to Post TTG. Yo, Post TTG, did you hit anything today? Did you trade anything today? The low for SPY was 634.92. So this is like one of the screens I'm watching when I'm trading on Topstep or Trade08. That's one of the screens. So I have a bunch of screens up when I'm trading, man. Got Thinkorswim up. Ooh, ES is spilling a little bit. But what a rip, man. Big rip for ES into the close. Oh yeah, plus we had the Apple Google news. Wow, bro. All right. Let's do QQQ real quick. And then we can do ES. QQQ. I gotta do Dow. Insane. Shout out to Post TTG. Post TTG says, check Discord, I'll post it now. Nice. Solid. Zooming in, let's see. Nice. So you caught the continuation off the bounce. Nice. Nice move, man. What was your position size? Woo! 3,000 plus gain. Nice. I like it. Let me see. Post TTG doesn't play any games, man. Was that on Topstep, Apex? Was that on evals or the funded accounts? Shout out to Post TTG, man. That's copy trading the 5P. Okay, cool. Nice. Solid play, man. Yeah, that continuation today was insane, man. That bounce off the 23,000 level, I was not expecting that. I was looking for continuation to the downside, but the bulls came out of nowhere. They had I was watching a gap. I had a gap marked out on the daily chart, but I didn't think the bulls were gonna respect it. Just by how we flushed in the morning, I was like, it's September, we're headed to the downside, but the bulls fought back, man. Nice gains, man. Shout out to Post TTG in the Discord. cooking. We got jolts tomorrow. We got non-farm payrolls on Friday. Just a heads up, everybody. Lock in, lock in. Randy Howell, man. Randy Howell says you can't go into fight or flight. Don't panic when you're trading, man. Don't panic. Follow your plan. All right, let's see what else we got. Yeah, I'm definitely going to grab some more evals before midnight. I doubt they're extending this sale. We might go back to 80%. Because this is one heck of a sale. Man, the site even froze. When the sale went into action, the site froze, man. People going crazy last Friday. Thursday and Friday. Cave Trader is back. What's up, Cave Trader? What's up, man? Cave Trader says, if I get Apex accounts today and pass them in a couple months, will the activation fee still be 85 even if the sale ends? Oh, nah. So the best, yeah. Once the sale is up, the activation fee goes back to normal. But I would still take advantage of buying the evals. Get as many evals as you can, man, and just park them. I remember last year when the payouts were flowing, I used a whole payout on evals. During a sale, during a 90% sale, I grabbed a whole bunch of evals, and that's what pushed me up to 20 accounts. 20 accounts plus, because I use it on Topstep and Apex. Topstep and Apex were my bread and butter last year, for sure. And I didn't start Topstep until like September. It was all Apex for like 6 months. Then they started changing the rules and everything. We were like, oh man, what's happening? And then the people in some of the Discords I was in, they were like, yo, diversify. Diversify. Because the prop landscape is always shifting. Always shifting. Then Take Profit Trader came out of nowhere. Daily payouts. So yeah, that's what I gotta get back to, man. Add the Topstep into the mix. Shout out to Post TTG. Post TTG says just recently opened a live account with AMP Futures. Nice. That's what's up, man. Congrats on that. How is AMP Futures? Shout out to everybody in the chat, man. We're just kicking it, man. Watching to see if anything happens during Asia session. If not, we're just sitting here charting, waiting for something to happen. Let's go. Let's go. Shout out to the Discord clan. Yes, Hunter. Who else? Oh yeah, that's let me see. That's the one. Does it still pop up? Yeah, it'll still pop up. All right, cool. Now I gotta do QQQ levels. Shout out to everybody in the chat, man. Shout out to Cave Trader, the one and only Cave Trader, man. Trader goated. Oh man, the sprinkler system's on. Was I supposed to turn it off? Let me look at the weather. Oh. I don't think it rains tomorrow. Let's go daily. AccuWeather. Dang, we are not out of summer yet. Here comes some 90s into the weekend. Jeez. Thursday is supposed to rain. Okay, well, today and tomorrow we will run the water. Man, if somebody dropped 1.5 in my account, 1.5 million in my account right now, I'll go all dividend stocks. Make 100K without lifting a finger per year. The dividend stocks are they're powerful, but you just gotta have a good amount in there for you to see the gains. It's better than leaving it in a savings account though. That's a fact. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Shout out to Cave Trader. For real? Oh man. Post TTG. Let us know your experience with AMP futures. Hold on one second. Phone call. Oh man. Yo, if you're in the chat and you join the, what time is it? 7? Who is the gray horse? And who is Gotcha Man? 1, 2, 3, 4. Who that? You gotta say something. Who is Gray Horse and Gotcha Man? Whoa, why does that say unable to? Who is the gray horse? Post TTG says my experience so far has been the opposite. Thank God. Thank goodness, for sure. Keep an eye on them, man. Don't let them do you dirty like that. Shout out to Post TTG. Post TTG says what platform was he using though? Yo, Cave Trader, what platform was he using? Post TTG, explain it. Do they have a platform for you to use, or can you use like TradingView and Tradeovate and stuff like that? Shout out to the Gray Horse. What's up, Gray Horse? How you feeling? Welcome to the stream. How long have you been trading and what do you trade? Shout out to the Gray Horse. Shout out to the Gray Horse in the chat. Shout out to Post TTG. Shout out to Cave Trader. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Shout out to Kamal Dorsey from earlier. K the Noob. My YouTube people. Shout out to Ralph is up. Shout out to, who else was in there? William. Caught some good puts on the, not puts, but he went short early. Caught a nice play to the downside. Post TTG says you can choose from 60 platforms. Oh, wow. So yeah, whatever he was using, that matters. I just use TradingView since that's what I'm used to. Nice. Yo, Cave Trader, ask your friend what platform they were using. Because not all platforms are created equal. That's a fact. Shout out to the Gray Horse. Hey, Gray Horse, how long have you been trading and what do you trade? Do you trade futures? Do you like ES? Do you like gold and Q? Wow, we got New Zealand in the building. Man, we got New Zealand, we got Denmark, we got South Africa, we got India, we got everybody in here, man. Shout out to all the subscribers. The Gray Horse says hi from New Zealand. Wow. Trading 4 years, mostly futures. Nice. What do you like? You like NQ, ES? What do you trade? I'm gonna bump you up in the Discord as well. I just like to hear from whoever jumps in there because we get a lot of bots. Shout out to the Gray Horse. Nice. Let's go. The Gray Horse, do you trade? Oh, yeah. Post TTG took the question out of my mouth. Do you do funded or live capital? Nice. 4 years in the game. That's what I'm talking about. Keep going, man. Shout out to the Great Horse. Funded. Nice. The Great Horse says funded. Very new to prop firms. Nice. Do you have any what prop firms have you tried so far, the Great Horse? I would say top two are Take Profit Trader and I say Topstep. The One Stop Trader is in the building. What's up, One Stop Trader? How you feeling? Welcome back, man. I had to take a break. I did some traveling, visited some family, blew some accounts. Now I'm back. Back in the mix. I definitely blew up my funded accounts before I left, man. It was bad. But we're here. The grind does not stop. And with the futures desk, only one I've tried. Great experience so far, though nice. Post TTG says take full advantage of the prop firms if you can. Yeah, facts. If you like your own money printing, it's like your own money printing machine. That's a fact. For sure. Yo, Great Horse, you're gonna like prop firms because if you have a good system, you can get payout after payout. If you have a good system and you're disciplined, you'll be fine. And you're getting access to capital with a fraction of the cost if it was like your live account, your own personal account. You pay like round trip $100 to $200, and you stick to your system and build that account up. That 200 can turn into 2K and more. The risk to reward in terms of paying for the account and payout is great. Yeah, listen to Post TTG, man. Try them out for sure. And Apex is running a sale. It's like $18 for a 50K account. The One Stop Trader says hella stress, but I'm still in because I love paying. Same here. We're staying in the mix, man. I've been there, done that, man. I've been clicking the button since 2016, man. So I've been through the drawdowns. I have been all through the drawdowns, man. What? Just imagine going years, no profit. My first couple years, I didn't see any profit. Then I started seeing break even. Then I started seeing some gains. Then I found prop firms and then really started seeing some gains. Gray Horse says, thanks, here's hoping. Come on, man. We're with you. Welcome to the community. Post TTG says, man, I love clicking that button. Same here, man. Same here. Same here. As soon as you click it, money starts printing. Shout out to TTG, man. Shout out to the Great Horse. Shout out to the One Stop Trader. Yo, Great Horse, just what you just typed right in the chat, just type that in the Discord. because everybody wants to know what you trade and how long you've been trading. Shout out to everybody in the chat, man. We're sitting here kicking it, man. To start September, seasonality on September is usually red. So we'll see what happens. Jerome Powell will be speaking and making a rate decision on what day? February 17th. No, September 17th. That is when they'll make the rate decision. Jerome is either going to make the month or break the month. It's one of the two. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Ain't rocking them, man. All right, man. TTG says, I love clicking that button. You and me both, man. You and me both. But this year I've been clicking it a little too much. I need to stop over trading, man. I need to stop over trading. And stick to the freaking plan. Stick to the plan. Oh man. Shout out to everybody in the chat. If you're new here, welcome to the Infinity Show. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys enjoyed the weekend. The One Stop Trader says hella stressed, but I'm still because I love pain. Keep going, One Stop Trader, man. Look, the journey, it's a marathon. You're gonna have peaks and valleys. Right now, I'm at a valley, but we're gonna build back up. We're gonna climb back to the peaks. Part of the game, man. Keep on going, ladies and gentlemen. It's all in the routine, man. It's all in the routine. Oh, yeah, let me go ahead. I gotta figure that out, too. We are slowly fading. What was the open? Maybe 382. It's not bad. We've been slowly grinding to the downside. That's not bad. The trend is your friend. This is on the 15, right? Yeah, we never broke that. What a push for the bulls from day lows. Insane push from the lows. We'll see how tomorrow reacts. Let's see. These are real results, ladies and gentlemen. Real results. Let me see. Somebody mentioned, are those the only payouts you've received? And I was like, yeah, how many payouts have you had? And they're like, none. Come on, man. These are real results. I'm not faking nothing. Y'all gonna endure the pain with me. Laugh at my pain. Isn't that Kevin Hart? Laugh at my pain, man. But I've been here before. That's part of the trading journey. You gotta keep on going, ladies and gentlemen. Keep on going. Fortune favors the bold. You gotta be bold in the good times and the bad times. Not necessarily bad times. These are just lessons that I need to learn and lock into. That's all. A loss isn't a loss, it's a lesson. It is a learning lesson. All right. If the sound starts messing up, let me know. I'm trying to make sure this thing is moving and grooving. There goes Kingston's finest. Big up. What's going on, brother? How you feeling? Shout out to Kingston Finest in the building. How have things been? I had to take a break, man, but I'm back. Shout out to Kingston Finest in the building. Shout out to TTG, post TTG. Shout out to the Gray Horse. Shout out to the One Stop Trader. Shout out to everybody in the chat, man. Shout out to Cave Trader. Shout out to Kingston Finest. Big up, big up, big up. Kingston Finest says, passing through, bro. Took a month and a half off from summer. Horrible price. Oh, yeah. I feel you, brother. Yeah, I definitely took a couple weeks off. Did some traveling. Visited some family. So, yeah. But we're back in the mix. Kingston Finance has got one PA and one eval now. Nice. Yeah, but make sure you take advantage of the Apex sale. Everything's cheap right now. So you can get a couple and just park them. I think we're gonna get like 5 or 10 more before midnight and then just park them and try to pass them over the next couple weeks. Yeah, you can't beat the price. Insane. Insane. Shout out to Kingston Finest in the building. Kingston Finest says took some time off from summer. Yeah, bro. Shout out to Kingston Finest on the check-in. Yeah, the price action this year has definitely been different. This is not last year's price action. That is a fact. Shout out to Kingston Finest. Let's see. Nice. Shout out to the Gray Horse in the Discord. If you want to hop in the Discord, link is in the description and the pinned comment. We're just sitting here watching the price action. Asia session in the building. Let's see. I'm also doing a little bit of charting. Chart action. Let me close this window. Hold on 1 second. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Shout out to Kingston Finest. Big up, brother. Shout out to Post TTG. Shout out to the Gray Horse. Shout out to the One Stop Trader. Shout out to Cave Trader. Shout out to everybody in the chat, man. Let me close this thing real quick. Hope everyone's doing well. We are sitting here watching the price action. Let me see. We are watching the price action. Let's see. All right, I gotta check this camera and help my sister find her keys. She can't find her keys, man. We gotta look at the camera. I don't know. Maybe on the back of the door, maybe? Which camera is this? 5. Shout out to everybody in the chat, man. Let's see. Yeah, I think I'm gonna grab some evals too to just keep on the side. If I feel like clicking the button once my PAs have already reached the gains, I can play around with the evals. Let's see, did they send the little signature to stuff yet? Trying to load these up. All right, cool. We got one. We just gotta get the second one. I think I'm gonna activate the ones I have. I was gonna wait, but the lifetime at 85 is pretty good, man. Versus 144 lifetime. I think that's what I'm gonna do. And then just grab like 4 or 5 more evals. All right, cool. So I'm gonna wait on both. Let's wait on both and then I'll activate them now. Hold on, why is she still there? I just thought about that. What? All right, cool. All right, let's see if we can help her find her keys. All right, let's see. All right, guys. I gotta mark up QQQ. QQQ. Shout out to everybody in the chat. If you're new here, welcome to the Infinity Show. Hit the like button, ladies and gentlemen. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Hit the notification bell so you know exactly when I go live. We are back at it tomorrow morning. What's tomorrow? Tomorrow morning? Yeah, tomorrow morning, yep. And I might have to go somewhere in the afternoon. We'll see. I'm going to try to stay on as long as I can. QQQ. I kind of get it now. QQQ and SPY were kind of in the middle of nowhere. I was like, where is all this buying pressure coming from? But from SPY's chart compared to ES's chart, SPY was in the middle of nowhere, man. Price level. Oh yeah. Let me see. QQQ. $97. Shout out to everybody in the chat, man. Ooh. Right now we're just pulling back a bit. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. On the wrong screen. There it goes. So I think that's what we're gonna do, man. I passed two of them. Only one is popping up. Trying to activate both. Or we could just do this one. Get it over with. Let's see. Yeah. From 140 for a lifetime fee down to 85, you're saving $55. Insane per account. Be okay with the small loss. Part of the game. kind of see it now. I kind of see it now. Just from that perspective, I get it. 54. Will be on sale. Yes, sir. All right, let's rock with it. We'll see if they extend the sale. I doubt it. 90% sale ends tonight. Is that the mailman? Give me 1 second, guys. All right, guys, we're back. The dog is around. The dog wants to be petted. What's up? What's up, buddy? Not in there. Please don't put your nose in there, please. The dog is on duty. He's running around. All right. Oh, here we go again. You just went outside. Didn't you just go outside? You went outside. We'll go outside maybe in like an hour. Is that cool? All right. 1 hour. Come on. I showed the earlier stream this. Oh, he just sneezed. Bless you. You want me to go upstairs? He wants to go outside again, I think. Do you want to say hello to the stream again? Come on. Say hello. Look, I'm gonna tilt this thing down. Come on, right here. Give me your paws. They want to see you. Huh? Come on. Jump up. Ooh, he's doing this thing again. Here. Come on. Jump up. Put your paws up. You don't want to jump up? My guys. All right, we're just gonna let him run around. He wants to go outside. He always wants to go outside. Shout out to everybody in the chat, man. Might have to take him back. I thought he wanted to jump up. All right, guys. How's everybody doing in YouTube land? Okay, look. We're not gonna do any growling, my friend. What's up? Come on. What's happening? Would you want some food? Come on. You want some food? Give me your paws. Get up here. Come on. Jump. Up. All right, guess not. He doesn't want to get up. All right, brother. Give me 1 second. All right, guys, give me 1 second. Let me take him outside. Right now, we're not getting any action. Barely any action. We got a little gap right here. At 23,300 level. Oh my gosh, he's gonna be crying all over the mic. Give me 1 second, guys. Oh, big baby. Big baby. That's what I'm gonna start calling. Big baby. Hold on 1 second, guys. Ooh, don't drop the mic. See? All right, you just wanted to smell the air. There you go. All right. Whenever there's a door. Hey, don't eat anything over there. All right, cool. Shout out to everybody in the chat, man. We are here. What's up? What's up, man? What you want? The big baby. What's up, man? I think he wants to eat. He might be hungry. That's probably what it is. All right, let me check. Shout out to everybody in the chat, man. All right. Shout out to everybody in the chat. If you're new here, welcome to the Infinity Show. Hope you guys are doing well. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Hit the notification bell so you know exactly when I go live. Forgot the dog. Is he back there? I don't know if he went upstairs, but he's around. Hold on. When a dog goes quiet, you need to go check on him. Give me 1 second. All right, man. We're here. Had to take the dog out. Whoop. All right, we're back. The dog was whining. Hope everyone's doing well. It's Asia session. We're just chilling. Nothing crazy. What's the open? Open with like 82. We've fallen pretty good. Good 60 points. Not bad. Yeah, that's a big. We can just give them a call and let them know. Let me see. Yeah, I'll let them know. It's all good. All right, man. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Had to take the dog out, man. Ooh, let me see. All right, let's see if the other. Give me 1 second. Gotta wash my hands, man. Hold on. Residenting. Can't wait. Fall is approaching. All right, guys. QQQ is charted up. Let's go to Dia. Let's see what Dow's looking like. Dow did clip higher, all-time high. 6 sessions ago, man. Did I do this one yesterday? I did. Pretty short, right? What's the low? The low was 433.40. 433.40. Yes, we did good. Marking up Dow. Good old Dow. Good gains on the PAs today. 600 till now. We'll have a couple more PAs ready to go tomorrow. Just gotta keep the grind going, man. Trade once, take a small loss. I'm done for the day. I gotta leave it alone. What's this? How is that not up? How is that not up? It's up on there, not on here. I kind of get it now. Looking from the SPY chart, we were kind of in the middle of nowhere, so bulls had the opportunity to pop things up, and we fell into some gaps. I get it. From the SPY perspective. Also the SPX perspective. In the middle of nowhere, all gaps must get filled. This would be the inner gap. Hope everyone's doing well, man. We are here in the mix. I know some people are still on vacation. Still on vacation. They're not coming back till like Wednesday. 450, 16. Oh, we did clip that, right? Breach. 450, 16. 450, 16, right? Why does it look like it's off? 450, 16. All right. Yeah, tomorrow's going to be interesting. Powell speaks on the 17th. That's when we'll get our rate cut decision. Non-farmers on Friday. Dang it, I'm trying to think. Should I just do I might get some 150Ks, man. I might get some 150Ks. All right, these are good. Monthly candles are, we started off red, but we are green now. Or no, actually today is the first day, isn't it? Yeah. The monthly candle started red, but quickly turned green into the close. All right. $200, right? Now the 200 is matched up. Look at that. That's on the 15. Now we got to do ES, right? Yeah. Oh yeah, that Apple Google News had something to do with that too. Apple Google. See a little curl action. Let's see. There's the new today, the 3rd, right? Yeah. $63, $64, $63, $62. Getting ES marked up, man. Let me see. Definitely went outside weak. Yeah, I definitely thought we were gonna collapse, man. Once we broke last week's low, I was like, ooh, we are headed down. We did do that, but the bounce back up was superb. I was not expecting that bounce. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Hit the like button, ladies and gentlemen. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Hit the notification bell so you know exactly when I go live. And if you're new here, say something. How long have you been trading? And what do you trade? Hold up. What was the low? Oh no, it was that one. That's August high, right? I think. Yeah. Seasonality for September is bearish. We'll see. We'll see what Powell has to say. I was just telling a friend, Powell will make or break September. It's one of the two. Nothing in the middle. He will make or break it. He will make or break it. $65.18. What's this? This is this week, right? Yeah, this counts, man. Uh-oh. What is the low on this? 430.75. Charting ES. Outside week for ES is 64.30.75. Dang. So yeah, we definitely we filled the gap almost, but not the way I thought we were gonna fill it. We barely got down there. Barely got down there, man. But most of it filled. Dang. 91.50. I do this every night, man. This is market homework. Not much going on during Asia session. Let me see. 63, 64. Yep. I wonder if ChatGPT will tell me that. What was the Asia session high and low? What was the London session high and low? That would be cool. Let me see. 63, 62. Oh, that's another weekly level. Yeah. Eventually we're gonna fill this gap, but what is it gonna take? Maybe non-farm? We'll see. Or do we get another retest tomorrow? We'll see. Yeah, 40K plus. Now we're getting the sideways action. But all right, let's see. Hold on. Yeah, one. Let me exit this thing, get back in. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Who's in here, man? Say something. What you guys up to? Is anybody trading? Let me see. Yeah. Yeah, people are still on vacation, man. I know some people are still out and about. What a bounce, man. Jeez. The way we dropped and popped was insane. But we've seen this before, right? Inverse hammer. And where did my VWAP go? Hold on. That too, I need that back. It just disappeared earlier. Where is my VWAP? Where is my VWAP? I'm confused. Where's my VWAP? Oh man, hold on. Did I get a email? All right, man. We're making our way back into the algorithm. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Shout out to all the new subscribers. Appreciate you guys. Let's keep on going, man. Boop, boop. Oh, what is that? Are they extending it? Hold on. Oh, okay. They're just giving everybody a reminder. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know what's happening right now. I'm trying to get my VWAP back and it's not giving it to me. How? Order flow, trading view. Free indicators. How order flow allows you to? Yeah, wasn't this activated? That's the weird part. Why is it not activated? Order flow. That's so weird. It was activated and now I gotta reactivate it? What is that? Okay, I just did the order flow thing, right? So where do I go to get it activated? I had everything up, man. That's weird. I don't know why it's doing this. Let me see. Hmm? Yo, do they take this from your? I wonder if they take this from your. Oh, what? When did this happen? Risk settings. Yo, I didn't know that. I didn't know you could go into what? Set a max profit you want to take each week. What? Daily profit trigger. When did they do this? Set a max profit you want to make each day. If you reach it, we'll close your positions and lock your trading until the next day. Nice. Set a max amount you're willing to lose in a day. If you reach it, you'll. Nice. I didn't know they had that. Maybe I had to lose the VWAP so I could discover that. I'm gonna try it out. Very interesting. I didn't know that. We're curling back up. Asia session, price action. Do I have to like start this thing over? Volume based. Where's my VWAP? Hmm. There it is. The next PA has shown up. I'm about to activate it. Oh boy. Wow. Dang, how far back? Asia session straight across. Straight across price action. The Great Dane from Denmark. Shout out to the Great Dane. My YouTube people, man. Ooh. Very interesting. Yo, where's Gabby G at, man? Shout out to Gabby G. Shout out to Live Records in the building. Shout out to Live Records, Bogey. Let's see. Where has Miss Fatima been? I'm just looking through messages, man. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Shout out to Bogey. He said check GC, gold is rising. The grind does not stop, ladies and gentlemen. What time is it? Almost 9. We've been on for like 3 hours. Same price action, nothing crazy. What is this? Shout out to Randy Howell. Randy Howell says, mastering the brain glitch that turns a good day into a bad day. I'm going to watch that as soon as I get off of here. Randy Howell, look him up. If you don't know who he is, look that guy up, man. This guy. If you see him on your timeline, click on it. It's going to help with your mindset. Mr. Howell. Mr. Howell says there are things in the brain that you can manage, but some things come some things come built in, like fight or flight. So you have to learn how to use that when you are trading. Our brains were not created for trading. Our brains were not created for trading. Our brains were created for survival. And if you have a survival mindset when you're trading, it can get you in trouble. The fight or flight mechanism. We are back at it tomorrow. We have jolts tomorrow at 10 a.m. Eastern time. Then we have non-farm payrolls on Friday, bright and early before the open. Then we got FOMC September 17th, 2 p.m. Powell will be on the mic at 2:30 p.m. Eastern time. Get your popcorn ready. Hold on one second. Phone call. Hold on. All right, guys. My sister's trying to find her key. Where is the key, ladies and gentlemen? That is the question of the hour. Let me see if I can rewind real quick. How do we do it? Remote playback. All right. Let's see what happens. Shout out to everybody in the chat, man. Shout out to all the new subscribers. The road to 1,000 continues, ladies and gentlemen. I got to get back into the algorithm. I went out of town, went to visit some fam, went to some financial conventions. That was really cool, man. I met a lot of traders, man. All right, let's watch this one more time. I'm trying to help my sister find her keys on the camera, man. Not much going on during Asia. I mean, we've had a nice little pullback from the open, but it's been slow and steady. Choppy. Good old Asia session. When did she walk in? 9:52? 9:52 on the dot. What was yesterday? Didn't I? Yesterday? How did that end up on the ground? That's weird. $9.51. Oh, that's interesting. Yo, let me think. Hold on. Because that definitely wasn't down. Let me see. Shout out to everybody in the chat, man. Edit. I closed it. It's weird. Yeah. Oh. Who closed? Oh. She closed. I got it. Houseway. All right. Let's see. Fast forward. How? Uh-oh. Didn't mean to do that. Hold on. Yeah, that's weird. I'm not sure. Oh. I don't know. She got to figure that out. It's in the bag, and then that's it. All right. Oh yeah, what was I trying to try out? I was trying out the. Oh yeah. If I do go, let's say I do go one. Uh, this is MNQ though. Ooh. All right. So let's see. On here, right? Can I move the stop up? I might just do that. Turn it into a Topstep. Ooh. Will it let me do it? Oh no, snap back. I could just look at it and pop it to the. That's what I might have to do. If it'll let me do that, then I can move it from there. So off of the chart, I might have to do it. All right. Sitting here strategizing with these brackets. Strategy. We got us a fresh PA. Fresh PA, man. We'll start that one tomorrow. This is still the middle of this gap, right? Middle gap. flat right now. What's the low on this? 15? Can it go 15 though? That's 45. Probably not. It might take hours to do. Let me leave Asia session alone. All right, guys, it's 9. Solid 3-hour stream. Shout out to all the new subscribers. Appreciate you guys. If you want to hop in the Discord, hop in now so you can let me know. Woo, Geo. What's a Geo? Who is Geo? It's the same thing. Keep on going, guys. For whoever's out there struggling, man, keep on going. There's light at the end of the tunnel. Keep on going. Ooh. All right, guys. I gotta go prepare for tomorrow. You guys be safe. Consistency over home runs, ladies and gentlemen. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Shout out to Bogey. Shout out to Kingston Finest. Big up. Shout out to Post TTG. Shout out to the Gray Horse. Shout out to the One Stop Trader. Shout out to Post TTG. Shout out to the Gray Horse again. Shout out to Cave Trader. Shout out to everybody that chimed in the chat. Guys, I'm going to see you guys tomorrow. Got to get some rest so I can come to the market clear-minded. Discipline equals freedom, ladies and gentlemen. Trust the process. Do not rush the process. This is a marathon. Keep on going. Keep on going. Keep on going. The losses are part of the game. Learn from the losses and keep pushing forward, man. This is a marathon. You got to keep going. So if you fall, it's up to you if you want to get up or not. But if you get up, there's light at the end of the tunnel. Keep on going, ladies and gentlemen. Consistency over home runs. Bit by bit by bit by bit. The base hits add up. The singles and the doubles add up, man. Take your gains. Don't give your gains back like I've been doing all year. Let's not give the gains back for fourth quarter. Let's lock in for fourth quarter and finish the year strong. All right, guys. I am going to see you guys on the flip side. You guys be safe. Rigid rules, flexible expectations. Rigid rules, flexible expectations. That's from Trading in the Zone. If you haven't read Trading in the Zone, go read it. All right, guys, I'm going to see you guys on the flip side. Be safe, be good to yourselves, and be good to others, ladies and gentlemen. Be good to yourselves and be good to others. I'm going to catch you guys on the flip side. I'll be back on tomorrow. You guys be safe. Take care, take care, take care. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.